aim in the top right, or way almost off the table. Why is that? You're rushing the shot. That's what you're doing. So you aim at the top, you just stick the trigger, you squeeze the trigger, you squeeze it because you're rushing the shot so much from down to there. Try the bottom stand. You're rushing your trigger. Shooting, you're like this. That's one thing, because that's why you shoot all. This one's all low. This one here, you're just basically. Remember that brass on top of the gun? Remember this training thing? So basically, just pull the trigger straight to the rear without dropping that trigger, so that you can, in your mind, think slow press straight to the rear. Just slow press straight to the rear each time. When you jerk it, you're just jerking the trigger too much. I don't know what happened last time.